Welcome to Dr. Jester Rants, and I'm gonna rant about this goddamn fucking idiot who apparently consumes Tide Pods. Maybe, allegedly. From PC Gamer. Overwatch 2 removed hostile architecture from new map at fan request. Hostile architecture. You would think probably it was an architecture or something there that was actually causing a lot of problems in the gameplay. For instance, a box that is in a corridor and it's causing characters to get stuck, and the players losing the game because somebody got stuck, or there was a hole in the seam of the map and the player would pass on through that hole and they would fall through the map and die. You would think any of those things, or probably it was a structure or like a statue of Stalin or Hitler or something of thereabouts, of tyrannical idiot socialists. You think that, right? Well, not quite. It's this. You looked at the image and think, there's nothing wrong, it's just a bench. Is it because it looks like an Art Deco? Are they claiming Art Deco is somehow oppressive? No, don't worry, that's exactly what I thought. Because, you know, people are easily triggered these days, so you'll think, hey, maybe they think Art Deco is racist. It's not beyond unreasonableness to actually think this is what the idiots were thinking, but it's not quite. Blizzard has made a notable change to one of its new Overwatch 2 maps thanks to player feedback. It's not quite relatively player feedback, more of a lone Twitter idiot with pronouns on their bio, so you know their opinions are worth exactly nothing. As spotted by Polygon, Jesus Christ, Twitter user, not gonna say their name, pointed out the use of hostile architecture in Midtown and New York-inspired map being introduced in Overwatch 2. Quite frankly, I'm gonna be honest, who the fuck still plays Overwatch? Go play Team Fortress 2. That thing is much, much better. And have always said it was better than Overwatch, even when Overwatch 1 came out. And I'm gonna say it again, even after Overwatch 2 comes out, or just came out, it's still far better. Right, the first beta had the map dotted with section benches, a common structure used to deter homeless people from sleeping on them. Well, yeah, you don't want them sleeping in front of your business, scaring customers away, because most of the people who are homeless tend to be not mentally stable, scaring people away. It's the reality and facts of life. Quote,
Overwatch being an inspirational universe, I just find it depressing, at worst and out of place at best.
Well, I don't think it's aspirational. I pretty much have seen poor people and slums everywhere in that. I'm pretty sure I've seen a screenshot or two with those things. Okay. I'm not a player, so who gives a shit? And besides, Blizzard kind of pretty much is dead to me. For years, since they actually fucked up the expansion called Cataclysm. In that regard, where is it? I think that was literally the last. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, literally. The last expansion I've ever bought of World of Warcraft, the last time I actually played that goddamn fucking game, and the last time I actually sent a single fucking dime to Activision Blizzard, or mostly Blizzard. The only other game that you could actually say, hey, you sent money to Activision Blizzard? Technically, no. It was actually a gift or a bonus that you get if you purchase the graphics card. Otherwise, and it was Destiny 2. That's how little I started to care about Blizzard. They fucking suck. Right, during the game's second beta, those benches have been altered. Of course, they actually have to alter it. They are making a game to pander to a demographic that pretty much just plays this game and nothing else. If you're gonna check the person there, that's the only thing they have. So, then again, Overwatch, pretty much everybody's gay, lesbian, or transgender in that goddamn fucking game, so. And I mean the characters. Some sort of diverse. I think it's diverse if you're a white straight male in that game right now. You're gonna be very diverse, the character. Right. Where was I? Oh, followed up on Wednesday tweeting, quote,
Oh, thank you so much to the Overwatch team for deciding to change this. Honestly, overall, a small change but goes a long way. Hashtag long way.
Lead narrative designer Geoffrey Guggens Free called it a, quote, great feedback. How we hope the world will be the big part of our story, Dev. Now you hope there are people living in slums? Oh well. Not only the alteration the Overwatch team has recently made in an attempt to distance itself from crappy things happening in the real world. Last year, damage hero McCree received a name change after his namesake was dismissed from Blizzard for his involvement in the infamous Cosby Suite group chats. Of course, Blizzard still has a long way to go. Less hostile ventures don't exactly make allegation of misconduct and sexual harassment to go away overnight. Unless you're Activision Blizzard conducting an investigation into Activision Blizzard, finding that there is no evidence of any wrongdoing at Activision Blizzard. Well, most of the allegations in there felt really very, very fake. But then again, pretty much the standards. So basically, the person got triggered by a bench. And let me go and put it this way. Right. Here is the profile of said individual. She, her, lesbian. Why did you actually expect anybody to have anything else on their profile? Even has the little rainbow flag on the profile. After looking at it, without, Fine. Look. Only pictures and stuff of Overwatch. That's basically their only thing and reason of being. That's probably the only game this person plays. Who wants to bet that this person calls? Let me just get the right pronouns. Her self as a gamer. Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. And that goddamn fucking hell, have a great fucking night.